Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we'll be taking a look at a 2018 E43 AMG. This one is a Designo Diamond White. Under the hood's a V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one also comes with the night package, which is going to give you the front, rear, and side blacked out trim. For wheels, we've got 19-inch AMG 5-spoke with black accent wheels. Tires are in good condition. This one does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you the LED intelligent light system and the adaptive high beam assist. Also Distronic Plus with steering assist. We've got our bi-turbo 4MATIC badging, a macchiato beige interior, panorama roof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, AMG E43 badging, power tailgate, fresh set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Included in the Premium 3 package also includes blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, power windows. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera. This one also comes with the lighting package, which is going to give you some ambient lighting for the interior, a nice brown ash wood trim, dual climate controls, our radio, wireless charging, USB port, cup holders, our command center for our infotainment center. This vehicle has 36,508 miles. If you'd like to see more photos of this AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.